welcome to our kitchen. Today we are going to be making some, what are we making?
I don't know.
Pumpkin Rice Krispie treats. Let's get started. This idea was super cute. I saw this on Pinterest actually. I will link the recipe down below in my description. Let's get going on this. So I am starting out with half a cup of butter. I'm going to get this melting on low heat.
Ow.
And the recipe calls for a quarter of a cup of butter, but that will make 12 Rice Krispie pumpkins. So I'm going to try to double that. I don't know if I have enough marshmallows or not, but we will see what we can work out. My little helper is sorting out the green ones from the other color M&Ms because those are going to be our pumpkin leaves. Our butter is melted, so I'm just going to dump all of these marshmallows and all of these marshmallows right into the pot. Okay, we've got all of them in here. I'm going to mix them together really well. And I'm going to keep an eye on them and just keep stirring them. That way I know they're all melting evenly. Are they melting?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I took a bite.
We are almost there. Just waiting for the bigger ones. Oh, we dropped it in the marshmallows.
Wow, that's a little bit of red. Let me do it.
Almost there. I think I've got the color orange that I want. And these big ones are melting slowly but surely. We're getting there. I'm going to go ahead and start adding in my Rice Krispies. I'm just going to add them in until I think it looks right, because I don't exactly have the same measurements that the recipe suggests. And these clumps are pretty much melted. Whenever I smush them, they just kind of melt in. So I'm just going to go ahead and start mixing in those Rice Krispies. Now I'm going to spray my hands with non-stick spray. Got them all coated. You just roll them into balls. You get your Rollo, put it on top, and your green M&M, so it makes a pumpkin. And that's what they look like. Alright y'all, that's all for today. We had a great time making these. I will catch y'all next time. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you later.